This how to 1 minute will show you how to deactivate all plugins when not able to access your WordPress admin dashboard. First of all, you have to open your cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, here in File Manager section, here you will get File Manager. Just open it. And now you have to open your website folder. So my website folder is this one. So I'm going to opening it. And now you have to open WP-content folder. And here you will get plugins folder. Inside of this plugins folder, you will get all of your installed and activated plugins. Now, to disable or deactivate all plugins, all you have to need just select the plugin folder, click on rename, and now change the rename of this plugin folder and click on rename file. And now I'm going to my WordPress dashboard and reloading my dashboard. And now let's go to plugin section. And as you can see, no plugins are showing up here. Now again go to your file manager and select the plugin folder again. Again click on rename. And now you have to remove the extra part from this plugin name and click on rename file. Now I'm going to reloading my plugin page again. And as you can see, all of my plugins are successfully deactivated. That's how we can easily deactivate plugins from cPanel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.